What's the meaning of Buckley's? Buckley's. Buckley's.
Buckley's. Buckley's. Buckley's is a colloquial expression used to describe an unlikely or impossible chance of success. The phrase originated from the Australian company, Buckley's Proprietary Ltd., which produced a medicine claiming to cure a wide range of illnesses. However, the medicine was notoriously ineffective and patients were said to have Buckley's chance of recovery. Over time, the phrase has evolved into a common idiom used to describe a situation where the chances of success are very slim or non-existent. Essentially, having Buckley's means having very little hope or chance of achieving the desired outcome.